And we're right into it on the 2500 Klingon D7. Just snippy snip some of the parts here. Single sprue. Good quality parts overall. But there's a lot of necessarily mold lines, just that little strip of plastic, like super small, but you gotta scrape it off, sand it off, file it off, or in a case like this where the injection peg is in a awkward area. So yeah, that needs a bit of work to clean up. The rest of the the deck, I guess, of the that goes above the onion bulb. Just a little bit of cleanup there. Pop that guy in. And yeah, same thing. Just lots of not flash isn't the right word. I don't know the right term for it. But just like this annoying little super small little raised line of plastic. Same as the Romulan ship. It's super easy to put together. This needs a bit of work, but we'll talk about that after. Just because of where it goes together. Otherwise, the engines and impulse deck go together easily. Two pieces for the neck and boom. Make sure you get lots of glue on there so it bonds well. Pop that together. Drop on the deck. Put that together. Not quite put that together. Try it now. Put it together. And boom, Bob's your uncle. So yeah, this one needs some putty work, as you can see here. But I mean, I can't think of a better way to have done that together. She couldn't mold it in one piece. So this is, I think it's a good compromise. Otherwise, the ship goes together extremely well. And give it a good look around. I need some putty work under there too, that I had forgotten about. And yeah, so we'll get that all sanded off and smoothed out. Get the paint booth, prime, top and bottom, do the two-tone, the green and gray. And I kind of cheated on this one a little bit because I didn't want to mask everything, so I did all the gray with the brush. And if you're very careful, you can do this in such a way to not get brush marks. Now, could I tell you the technique to use? No. How thin your paint should be, whatever. It's just something I've learned over years of modeling, and so yeah, there are better experts to tell you about that. But basically, yeah, the ship's so small that you can easily, as you can see, just knock out the two-tone. I only need two coats. Once that's done, hit it with clear coat, so we can do the decals. There's only a handful of decals on this ship, and as you can see with the paint booth, this little turntable is really, really convenient for kind of getting all angles. Then we should be giving that more, and then flipping it over to get the underside, because yeah, there's a couple decals down there too. Should have sped this up, but that's part of the fun of doing the voiceover after the fact. It gives me a chance to really review my videos, so I can potentially make them better moving forward. So I didn't get any footage of the decal application. Alright, so I actually went back in and reset this and sped up the clip. If you're curious, this is actually shot on an iPhone with a wide-angle lens attachment. So kind of get the full scope of the spraying inside the booth. And yeah, and there she is. It builds up very, very well. Once again, it just like the Romulan bird of prey, it builds up into a very decent model on a small scale. Good molding, good injection overall, except for those areas you have to touch up. As you can see, I didn't. I missed a spot underneath, but yeah, another great model. Definitely recommend this 3-ship 2500 scale kit from round 2 because it is fantastic.